Hello and welcome. So, today I'm going to teach you how to delete your TikTok shop product listing. So, let's say that you've had a lot of listing and you want to delete a couple of stuff. It's really simple. Just go to the seller account here. And after the seller account, let's just go ahead to products. Click on products and then manage products over here underneath it. Just wait for it to load here. You can see your product listing here. I just have one, but if you want to delete it, just follow through step by step. It's going to be really quick and simple. So here's the product details. As you can see, it's just a sample product, by the way. So the price is good. Just the basic product listing that you have. Just click on the check icon here and then click on delete. That's it, and you're going to be able to delete your product from there. So that's how quick, efficient, and that's how simple it is. I hope this video is educational for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. You guys have a nice day.